Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh and welcome back to my channel. For those people who are watching my channel for the first time, I'm a hair and makeup artist based in Delhi. I've been doing makeup for the last 13 years and I run a makeup academy as well. We also have our own line of lashes and other products for makeup artists, and you can follow our page on Instagram. It's called CS Essentials India. I'll leave all the links below. You can also follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of bridal makeup and Instagram tutorials. My Instagram handle is Chandni Singh Studio. And today's tutorial is all about Priyanka Chopra's recent look on her engagement. And this is exactly what I'm going to show you. And in case you're interested in knowing how she nailed it, keep watching. So I'm going to start with hydrating my skin. Hydrating your skin is very, very important when you're doing makeup. I'm using the Embryolisse cream. This cream is amazing, particularly for anybody who's got extremely dry skin or even sensitive skin for that matter of reason. If you have any dry flakes, just apply it on the desired area and your skin will just look absolutely fresh, hydrated and radiant. Next step, I'm using the Indulgeo rose gold oil and I always apply it close to 8 to 10 drops on my skin. Next step, I'm taking the MAC Prep Plus Prime and I'm just spraying it all over my face. This again further hydrates the skin, and any kind of hydration on the skin is always a good idea. I'm just going to let this dry naturally, and next step I'm going to apply the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer, again which is hydrating. So I've applied my primer also, and now I'm going to do a color corrector on myself. I'm using the LA Girl color correctors. I've mixed peach and orange together. For me, peach is too light and orange sometimes gets a bit too hectic. Just applying this on my problem areas where I have a little bit of pigmentation. I'm just patting this just to blend it out now. Next step, I'm using the Nars Longwear Natural Radiant Foundation in shade Stromboli. And I'm just going to dot this all over my face, and I'm just blending it into my skin. I'm using the Sigma F88 angled kabuki brush. Using a stippling brush to buff this into my skin so that it looks like second skin. I'm just going to set it with yellow powder. I'm using the Inglot HD powder in shade 43. I'm using the Benefit Hoola. She's got no crazy contour on her face, just very, very light. So just along the forehead, a little bit of definition on the cheekbone. I'm using the Benefit Hoola to contour, and if you see that she does not have any crazy contour on her face, so just a little bit of color along the forehead, a little bit on the jawline, cheekbone to add depth. And I'm just going to apply the same on my nose as well, on either sides. I'm using a Hourglass blush. It's called the Ambient Luminous Blush. She has a pretty pink blush. Again, not too much. So I don't see any crazy shimmery highlighter on her, so I'm going to use the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Luminous Light. I'm going to leave the details below. This just gives the right amount of dewiness on the skin without adding too much of shine. I'm using a Sigma fan brush. Just applying it on my cupid's bow and on the bridge of my noses. So if you look at the images that you see all over Instagram and on the internet, the look is all about defined brows. The colors on the lids are barely existent sometimes. In a lot of images it seems as if she hasn't applied anything at all. And I'm going to replicate that with help of absolutely nude eyeshadows. Right now I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal in shade Creamy Beige, and I'm applying it all over my lid and blending it down just to prime it really well. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to use the nude color Tempera and Burnt Orange in the crease. That's about it. I'm taking the color on one of my blending brushes. I am using the Crown C511 brush. The C115 crown brushes are also available at my studio for sale. You can always get in touch with us on our Instagram page. So I'm just taking Burnt Orange on my blending brush. It's a matte color, and I'm just applying it in my crease so as to make it look like an absolute natural depth in the eye. I'm just going to apply it twice with a fluffy brush, just taking it into my crease, blending it out, and now I'm going to repeat the same thing in the other eye. And I'm just applying the nude eyeshadow all over the lid. One thing that is defined to perfection are her brows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in shade Chocolate. I'm just going to curl my lashes, and she's not wearing any fake lashes. So my emphasis is going to be on mascara done really, really well. Also, to define her eyes, she has applied some kohl in her tight line. And just a little bit on the lower lash line. And to be honest, this is exactly what she's done, nothing less, nothing more. And I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's amazing how our movie stars are going so natural. She's wearing a beautiful plum pink lipstick. I'm using Nykaa liquid lipstick in shade Begum. So there you go, this is the complete look.